Hey everyone, I'm Jackie Zhao. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Revii. I've been leading the build of Revii AI, and today I want to show you a cool new feature that we're really excited about. Let's say you're running an open house, or maybe a dinner, or a lunch, or a training event. People walk in, people walk out, and you think, how do I know who came? And how do I follow up with them later? Right now, you might be using a pen or a paper, or even maybe a random spreadsheet, and it kind of works, but it's messy, and it's hard to keep track. So we built something to fix that. It's called the Event Attendees Form. It's super simple, super clean, and best of all, it connects straight to your CRM. You'll find this feature under the business tools on the sidebar inside Revii. Click that, and you're in. Let's go make a form together. First, create a new form. Click on Create a New Form. You can upload your company logo to customize the form. This helps make things look a little bit more professional. So let's go ahead and do that. Next, type in the form name. This is just for you. This is the internal ID. Your guest will not see it. Then add an event title. This will show up on the sign-in form, so let's make it clear. Something like Open House 123 Main Street. Now, pick an expiration date. After that date, the form closes, so no new signups. We'll have this expire on May 5th. Next, choose your CRM tags, and you can tag by location, by the property type, whatever works for you. Everyone who signs in will have these tags added to their profile when you export to your CRM. And best of all, if you have automated marketing set up in your CRM, these tags can even trigger drip campaigns, so it's super powerful. And the last step, you can add up to 5 additional questions for your guests. And these are optional. For example, are you working with a realtor? When you're done, just hit Generate Form. And boom, your form is ready. And you can download a QR code and share it at your event. Or you can copy the form URL and text it or email it to your guest as well. And this is what it will look like. When the guests scan the code or click on the link, they will see this sign-in page with your logo and with the event title on there. They'll enter their name, email, phone, and answer your questions. After your event, go back to the main dashboard and click on Refresh to update the attendee list. So we'll go back to the form that we had just created, and there was one attendee here. Let's click on View Attendees, and you can see that Johnny Appleseed was added in because Johnny Appleseed signed in. What you want to do next is click on, you'll see the names, the emails, the phone numbers, and all their answers. From here, you can export the attendee data. You can download a CSV file if you want, or export directly to your CRM. At the time of this recording, we're integrated with Follow Up Boss, but we're also working on adding support for CINC and other popular CRMs very soon. In this example, we'll export straight to Follow Up Boss. Let's open up Follow Up Boss to check. And there they are. Our attendee is already in. You'll see their contact info, notes, and all the tags that we added earlier. These tags help you find, filter, and follow up super easily. With Revii AI's Event Attendees Forms, there's no more messy clipboards or lost leads. Just clean data, fast sign-ins, and an organized CRM right from your events. So give it a try at your next open house or lunch and learn or a get-together. And thank you for watching.